Let's see how you can manage your email preferences using Allowlist, Blocklist, and spam filters in Zoho Mail. First, log in to your Zoho Mail account. Go to Settings and navigate to Anti-Spam List. Here, under the Email Address tab, you'll find two sections, Allowlist and Blocklist. To allow emails from a specific sender, click Add New Allowlist Email and enter the address. To block unwanted senders, click Add New Blocklist Email and type the address you want to block. If you want to control entire domains instead of individual addresses, go to the Domain tab. Add the domain under Allowlist to receive all emails from it, or under Blocklist to stop all emails from that domain. Once done, press Enter, and it's saved automatically. Tip: you can also use the Mark as Spam option in your inbox to quickly add that sender to your block list. Now, for more control, you can use Trusted and Rejected lists. In the Trusted list, emails are delivered straight to your inbox without spam checks. In the Rejected list, emails are completely blocked and bounced back. Be careful here. Adding the wrong contact could cause you to lose important emails. Next, there's the Unsubscribed list. Whenever you unsubscribe from newsletters or promotions, those senders are added here automatically. To restore them, simply go to the Unsubscribe tab and click the delete icon next to the sender's name. Finally, Zoho Mail lets you set language-based spam filters. Go to Language Filter under Anti-Spam List. You can choose to allow only specific languages or block certain ones, depending on your communication preferences. And that's it. You've just learned how to take full control of your inbox, allowing trusted senders, blocking spam, managing unsubscribed lists, and setting up smart language filters, all from one place in Zoho Mail. Got an idea for a process, product, or business improvement? Share it with us, and we'll map out the next step workflow for execution. Comment or DM us today. We will provide this in 1 hour.